Hey friends, what's happening? Things are getting pretty wild out there. I understand that. We're getting on each other's nerves at work. I just want you guys to know I love you all. I've been working with some of the brightest and smartest people on the planet possibly ever known to help with this. I think I've come up with something which just might help. I'm gonna let all you guys in on it, on an entry-level thing. Feel free to share it. Feel free to hashtag, Eric Meech, brilliance. But I really think I've come up with something, and I'll let you guys in on it real quickly here. This is the Corona barrier. I honestly don't see a safe way through it. I can't get through there whatsoever. This is obviously the extra model, which is gonna run you a premium price. There's a light version, a little bit less. You don't get as much enjoyment out of it either, but I think it's gonna do the trick. It's still in the rudimentary and experimental phase, but if you get in early, I'm gonna give you the best deal that I can, okay? I honestly, I can't even get by it. It's that effective, and I'm gonna work on a larger scale, different heights, and this will protect your home for sure. I think if you have it in your car, it may not work at high speeds, and I'm also gonna work at something that's more portable for us at work. All right, you guys? Love you all, and take care of yourselves, please.